This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Education loan for girls. 7 top education loans schemes for girls in India. Popular education loan for girls schemes. Some of the education schemes for girls offered by lenders in India are Central Bank of India, Cent VIDYARTHI. The Central Bank of India offers education loan scheme of up to 10 lakhs for women wanting to pursue higher studies in India. If they want to study abroad, the loan up to 20 lakh can be sanctioned. The Cent VIDYARTHI loan covers course fees, hostel fees, purchase of books, laboratory, library or exam fees, travel expenses for education abroad and other education related expenses. If the woman applicant can provide collateral, there is no maximum limit on the loan amount sanctioned. Union Bank of India Education Loan Scheme. The Union Bank of India Educational Loan Scheme for women provides a concession of up to 50 basis points below the interest rate on loans. The concession is offered for loans taken to study in India as well as abroad. The loan takes care of travel expenses, accommodation cost, college fees, exam fees, library fees, purchase of books, instruments, equipment and uniform, travel costs and all other course related expenses. Indian Overseas Bank Education Loan JYOTI. This education loan for girls a concession of 0.5% on interest. The maximum loan for studying in India is 30 lakh and for pursuing courses abroad is 40 lakh. The girl students can either repay the interest when they are studying or they can pay it along with the principal amount. The repayment tenure is flexible and ranges from 5 years to 7 years. IDBI Bank Education Loan. IDBI Bank allows women to apply for an education loan to cover the expenses of specialized courses such as shipping, aeronautics, pilot training and other professional courses. Bank of Baroda Scholar Loan. Bank of Baroda offers education loans for women students pursuing a graduate, postgraduate or doctorate course abroad. These loans marketed as Baroda Scholar is a unique product that also covers the one-way travel expense to education destination abroad. Moreover, the interest accrued during the moratorium period is calculated as simple interest. Axis Bank Education Loan. Axis Bank offers education loans for women to cover a wide range of graduate and postgraduate courses abroad. The loan amount can cover the tuition fees, cost of the books and hostel fees. CREDILA Education Loan. CREDILA, a HDFC Limited company, offers education loans to women who wish to pursue higher education overseas. There is no cap in the upper limit for the loan sanctioned for higher studies overseas. Collateral requirement. Property documentation of a house, residential flat. A fixed deposit in favor of the lender. Non-agricultural land documents. LIC policy document of the primary borrower. Share, give a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel.